Hi class, in this video, it's a demonstration video on where to start. So when you log into Blackboard, this is what you'll see. And mine's going to look a little different from what you have, but I'm going to log into the class. And when you log in, you'll see you'll be directed to the announcements page right away. Now in here, you'll see announcements that I'll be making over the course of the semester, or basically, and when I do make an announcement, an email is actually sent to your email address. So what you want to do first is go into course information, and in course information you'll find the syllabus. You'll find a link to just click on it. It's just the core rules of an etiquette. Okay, and here it's just I will have other things posted down here, but this is where you will pertain to for the syllabus and any other course information. Now you can go into my instructor, and my information will be here. Okay, located here, my phone number and everything. I will update this later on. You'll see it later on. It'll be updated. And once you've gotten a good understanding of the course syllabus and you have watched my introduction video to the whole course, you must go into learning plans. And you're required to complete this plan for completion. Okay? You are going to open the document and fill out the table outlining the following information, which is your learning plans, highlight of activities and assessments needed to be completed, any total estimated time for completion, and project goal dates for completion, and so on. And this document should be submitted within this link. So if you click on it, okay, it'll give you a link to upload your information. So that's what that looks like. And that is the first assignment. So this is just relating to this plan for completion. Once you're done with the plan for completion, you have to submit a syllabus and introduction video questions. And I will have the questions here. I believe these will not be final for now. I might have to tweak it a little bit, but these are the questions that you're going to be answering. I will be okay with it if you do have a Word document submitted. If you copy and paste and answer each question and submit it within this link, that's what I need. And your advisor will also be looking to make sure that these two assignments are completed before financial aid is dispersed. Once these two assignments are completed, you then can go into my Learning Plan 1, which is this one, and you can start the activities in this learning plan. So I do have in each learning plan an introduction video, what you should read, and I do recommend you read the full chapter, but you know what the concepts for the problems I'll be teaching is going to be on these pages. I do have PowerPoint posted for each learning plan. I will have demonstration videos for each of the assigned homework that either will be a practice homework and will be in the assigned homework, and it will be mostly very similar. And then you'll have a quiz in this first chapter or in this first learning plan. You will have a test in the next learning plan entailing chapter 6, because chapter 6 was fairly short. I didn't want to make a full test out of it, so I converged it with the next chapter. Okay. And the next chapter, which is chapter 12. And chapter 12 is it's for learning plan 2. So, and in every learning plan, you'll have practice homework problems, and then you have graded homework problems. And once again, graded homework problems is only one attempt. If I had mentioned that it was 2 before, I do apologize. It's not 2, it's only 1 attempt. Just make sure that you understand the practice homework completely before you go and do the graded homework, because they are very similar in terms. So once you go through and read your checklist of activities, go through each and every folder, each and everything posted here. And once you're done and everything's submitted, you can go back to learning plans. You can go ahead and start in the second learning plan. Okay, so in every learning plan, you have a checklist. You have what you need to do as graded. And like I said, these will be mostly in the order that you should do them. You can skip around, that's really up to you, but you can go ahead and go down, just right down the row. Okay, so that's where you should start. But before you start any of the learning plans, make sure that you complete the plan for completion, which is the first assignment, and then the syllabus and introduction video questions. Okay, so that's where you should start. As far as Connect goes, if you go into one of the learning plans and let's say you click on the practice homework, it's linked to, this is my view. Let's look at student view. Okay, so this is what you'll see. Okay, these are the assignments that you'll see. This is the practice homework, and there's 7 of them in here. I'm not sure, and I don't remember how students view, or I'm not sure how it looks like when you click on the link, if it makes you log in or not. But if you do have difficulty when you can't, if you can't get into Connect, please let me know, and I will guide you through it. But basically, that's what we would do. So you turn to Blackboard to get into Blackboard, and it'll take you back to where you were. So that's how you would do the homework. And the quiz, this quiz is within Blackboard, but some of the other quizzes will be in Connect. And if you click on it, it'll direct you right to the test or the quiz. And then in every learning plan, there's a discussion, and make sure that you click on that. It'll take you to the discussion. You have to create a new thread, answer that question, and then you'll be able to see the other threads. Okay, so that's it for this, for where to start. So make sure if you have any questions at all after this video, make sure you email me or give me a call. Other than that, go ahead and proceed to the next video, and good luck.